So, you know that Slice app that is on iOS and Android? Well, it stopped working on Android to the point where I missed this package Saturday, or was it Friday? I missed it. Well, anyway, I was supposed to either sign for it or just be there to get it. I don't know. FedEx, just, I don't know. Anyway, here's my package. And I could have used these today when I was shopping, but it's okay. I gotta go shopping this afternoon. So these are the AKG Y50BT, and you can get these directly from them through eBay for $50. And you know how much they were selling them for when the Note 8 came out. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully these will be better than the ones I'm replacing them with. Oh, it actually has aptX. I didn't think it did. Hopefully that won't cause problems. Do you want to see the box? Let's look at the box. There. There's that side. Of course the front. There's that side. The back. The bottom. The top. And you open it from the side. Alright. Oh. More things to cut. Oh. Yeah, I just went straight across that. Alright, so there they are. They fold. The ones I used this morning do not fold. I've been warned on the internet to be real careful with these. Oh, that's why they're not coming out. Okay. Good thing I flipped them over instead of, you know, tear them up. Alright, now they fall out with ease. Let them go. Let them go. Alright, so that's all that. So I got a container, or yeah, something to put them in, and I feel other things inside it. And we got this one. Harman, another Harman product, right? It's like they're a sponsor, they're not. I have to buy these things. That's why I know how much they cost. You can always be suspicious of someone that you're not sure whether they buy things themselves. Yeah, when they talk about how much it costs, yeah, they probably bought it themselves. Where they bought it. Oh gosh, that's a lot of information I'm not gonna read. There's another one, probably in my language somewhere. That's a lot of documentation. I don't know what that is. Alright, so cables that I'm not gonna use. We got a very resilient feeling and labeled. Look at that, AKG, it's labeled. How close can I get? There we go. AKG, got a little symbol there and that. There's nothing on the back of the other side. So, micro. And we got a flat 90-degree cable. Well, it's not flat, but this part's 90 degrees. Whoop. AKG's right in there. They got the little Y symbol there. And of course, the bag. It's kind of springy. Now let's put these. Yeah, just kind of do it like that. Cool. Alright, let's pair them. Okay, so what we got here? Got left, right. We got micro USB there. A very strangely shaped screw there. Nothing else on the left side. Let's go to the right side, again with a weird shaped screw. Up, down, what feels like a multifunction button, and then buttons here. Oh, must be the pair button. I wasn't ready. Hold on. Scan that. AKG Y50BT. Sure, why not? Hallelujah. Alright. And prepare a funnier song this time. Oh well. Alright, so that's how easy it is to pair. There's that button down here is apparently a pair button. Right there. That button. That button I don't know. 3.5mm jack. And volume up and down. So let me find my own music. So I don't have to worry about this and that. one. Feels pretty good. Volume up. Its own separate volume makes that noise when it's at peak. See what it does when it goes all the way down. Nothing. Nope. You can't just press and hold it. Alright. Max volume makes that little noise. I never liked that. Okay, so that pauses. Long press should probably do Google. Yep. And you got your choices there. Alright. Let's see what this button does. What does that do? Maybe I should read instructions. Oh. Is that the power button? Alright. I think this one is the power button. Yep. I turned it right back on. And I guess that's still the pair button. Alright. Oh, whoa. Oh, that must be a mic. Interesting. Alright, so those are all the buttons. Volume up, play, pause, hold for Google. I wonder what hold does going up. Next track. Nope. It does not. So it looks like on this I'd have to set up triple press and double press for going forward and backwards. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, so you gotta do the double press and triple press to go to the next and previous. So yeah, again, that's power button, which turn off. Just like that. So easy. Just you don't have to press and hold it. Just click, and it's on, and you're connected. That's so fast. I like that. Good job. Good job, guys. That was clever. All right, now I'm gonna try these on. That should be interesting. They fit good. Yeah. They're not big. They're not heavy. They don't fit tight. I guess they're adjustable. Hold on. Yeah, it's like up there. Cool. Well, I think that's about it. I'll see how they sound much later. Alright, I just noticed something. Good thing I read this. That's a 2.5mm jack, so don't lose that cable that came with it. And it does up to 1.6 on the HFP. And the AVRCP, there's settings in most Android phones. Make sure you set to 1.5 for these. But yeah, 2.5mm jack. I thought it looked kind of small. There you go. Alright, so a couple of things about these headphones. Check this out. Do not put them together. They lay flat and then you close them like this. Don't have them together like this because look, you see that button? It activated the button accidentally. So let me got the range from here. If you stick them together like that, they're gonna accidentally turn on, and then if your device is set up to, you know, start playing music, it's gonna start playing music, and then you're gonna be wondering, what's that noise? And it's this, draining the battery. Don't put them side by side. Make sure you do like that, one above the other. That way they don't set themselves off and then drain their own battery. Yeah.